Struggling with a cramped kitchen that never seems to have enough space? Don't worry. With the right hacks, even the tiniest kitchen can feel organized, spacious, and efficient. In today's video, I'll share smart and practical hacks that will transform your small kitchen into a functional and stylish space. These are easy solutions that save space, cut down clutter, and make cooking more enjoyable. A small kitchen doesn't mean limited possibilities. It's all about using creative organization techniques, multi-purpose tools, and clever layouts to maximize every inch of your space. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Use vertical storage. Add wall-mounted shelves or magnetic racks for utensils and spices. Step 2. Install pull-out drawers inside cabinets to make items easy to access. Step 3. Use over-the-sink cutting boards and foldable dish racks to free up counter space. Step 4. Group items by category. Keep baking tools in one container, daily cooking items in another. Step 5. Invest in stackable containers to store dry goods neatly. Tools you need. You'll need a few basics: wall-mounted racks, magnetic knife strips, stackable storage containers, drawer organizers, foldable or over-the-sink boards, and clear labeling stickers. These are inexpensive and available online or at home stores. Quick tips: store heavy items on lower shelves for safety. Use clear containers so you can see what's inside. Hang hooks on the back of cabinet doors for measuring cups and small tools. Rotate pantry items regularly to avoid waste. Cost comparison: a kitchen renovation can easily cost thousands of dollars. But these space-saving hacks cost under $100 to $150 if you pick budget-friendly organizers and DIY storage ideas. That's a fraction of the price of remodeling. Start by decluttering. Next, group and categorize items. Then, install your racks and organizers. Finally, label everything for easy access. This simple workflow keeps your kitchen practical and stress-free. Notes: interior designers often emphasize that small kitchens thrive on functionality over excess. Choosing light-colored containers and open shelving can also create the illusion of more space. And remember, consistency in storage style makes the kitchen look polished, even if it's tiny. We covered how to maximize space with vertical storage, pull-out drawers, over-the-sink tools, and smart organizers. These hacks keep your kitchen functional, neat, and efficient without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, share it with someone who has a small kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home ideas.